Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to go under the Me icon, and I want you to click on Settings and Privacy. When you do that, the next thing I'd like you to do is click on Privacy. And then if you scroll down, we're going to go to this section that says How LinkedIn Uses Your Data. And what I'd like you to do now is go ahead and click on, next to Download Your Data, go ahead and click on Change. And you'll see here that LinkedIn gives you a variety of different features that you can kind of read through here. And really what I'm looking for is kind of under that pick and choose option, I'm going to choose the connections list. And you can see here, once I click on the request archive button, it says that your download will be ready in about 10 minutes. So it does take a little bit of time. I'm going to go ahead and click on request archive. And you see here that LinkedIn will require you to put your password in, and that's for security purposes to make sure that someone isn't hacking your account and trying to export your connections list. And now I can see that button is now grayed out that says request pending. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video for now, and we'll restart it once I have that link available to me, and I'll show you what we come up with here. All right, so here we are. It's been about 10 minutes or so, and I'm back in my LinkedIn. I got an email that my data archive is ready, so I'm back in my account now, and you can see I can go ahead and click on this button. It's now, the grayed out has been removed. It's a brighter color of blue, and I can go ahead and click on Download Archive. Now, when I do that, I can see that this box pops up over here that says Basic LinkedIn Data Export. It's a zipped file. When I click on that, I can see that this is a comma delimited file. And it's now basically I can open this up and now I can manipulate this data. It's in an Excel format. So I see here that the data that is exported includes first name, last name, the email address, the company, their job title, and when I connected with those individuals. So hopefully this has been helpful for you. This has been today's LinkedIn tip. This is Brenda Meller, and I hope this tip was helpful for you. If you did find it helpful, please like my video if you're watching this on YouTube. And if you're on other social media channels, please click to share and spread the word with others. Thank you so much and have a great day. Please do subscribe to the channel and you'll get other updates for great videos like these in the future.